Hey everybody, Josh from Cripple Concepts here again. Just bringing you a little update today on the USB chargers. Getting real close to shipping again. As you can see, the 3D printer's behind me. I'll do a close-up here in a minute of that. I've got the housings on that dialed right in. They're stronger than ever before. They look really good, so that's pretty well worked out. Now I'm having a little bit of a challenge. I didn't realize that Apple, leave it to Apple, has come out with now 12 watt, which is 2.4 amp charging devices. Ran into a customer who had an iPad Air 2, and the charger clicks on, clicks off, clicks on, clicks off, clicks on, clicks off. And what I'm realizing is it's maxing out what it can do. Those chargers are spec'd to be able to run 2.1 amp continuous, and we're not being able to run the 2.4 amp. So working on that. I think I might have resolved the issue today. I'll actually show you the test bench here in just 1 second, so you can kind of see what we're doing on testing. Tried a lot of different configurations. I think we're finally getting somewhere. But yeah, I'll jump over, show you the 3D printer quick, and then I'll zoom over and show you the test setup that I have on the electrical bench. You can see these 6 chargers that are printing right now are just about done. And then what I do is I knock them off, and we added this little extension on the bottom with a little ramp, and so the parts just roll right down and onto the desk for me. Makes it real easy to retrieve them. Alright, so now we're over at the electrical bench where I solder everything up. There's the little solder fume extractor rig that we built last week. I'll throw a tag up to the top on that video. It's working pretty well. Still have to clip on the net. I did get a switch on it though. There's a switch on top now. But here's the test setup I have. So every one of our chargers always gets tested. We test them with phones, but when I really want to punish them, I use that little test rig on the right. And what that is a load tester. With those 2 knobs, I can dial in whatever amperage I want. So right now, I'm going to see if I can get in here. I'm pulling 2.29 amps at 5.09 volts. That's almost 12 watts, 11.6-ish watts. And so that's what's actually being pulled on the USB side. Now what would be being pulled from the chair, that's actually recorded over here. That 28.1 volts at 0.5 amps. So I test everything at 28 volts rather than 24 that the chair actually has, just to really make sure that the components are solid enough. You can see there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4 partial chargers back there. I've tried a lot of configurations in the last week. Right now, like I say, we're getting the 2.28, 2.29 amps. Struggling to get the full 2.4, we may not get there, but we're getting close, and we keep trying. Got some different fuses back there. Got another test rig in the back for dialing down the voltage. So we keep trying. We're going to get this right, but we're not going to ship them till we're sure that they're ready to go. Do appreciate everybody sticking with us, and for those that are waiting it out, I promise you we'll get you something real soon. Actually putting together some little kits. Let me see if I can swing over here once. You can see that ropey cord there. Trying to get some good cables that we can actually start selling with the chargers, so we know that you have a good reliable cable when you use our chargers. So yeah, we'll keep you posted. Thanks for watching, and hopefully next week's update is chargers are shipping and working wonderfully. Thanks.